Welcome to this Excel tutorial focusing on the creation of an array of numbers. In this session, we'll explore two distinct methods, a formula-based approach utilizing the row function and a VBA code. Let's start with the first method. Let's dive into the first method, employing a formula that leverages the row function to generate an array of numbers. If you're looking to create a dynamic array of numbers in Excel without using VBA, the row function can be your ally. Begin by selecting the range where you want the array. In an adjacent cell, input the following formula. Equals row, B1, B5, min, row, B1, B5, plus 1. This formula adapts to the selected range and delivers a sequential array. Copy the formula down. You have an array of numbers based on the row function. Moving on to the second method, we'll explore how to use VBA code to swiftly generate an array of numbers programmatically. For a more automated approach, VBA proves invaluable. Press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic for Applications editor. In the VBA editor, click on Insert in the menu and select Module to create a new module. Copy and paste the following VBA code into the module. Close the VBA editor by clicking the X button or pressing Alt plus Q. Press Alt plus F8 to open the Macro dialog box. Select Generate Number Array from the list. Click Run. Input the starting number when prompted. Input the ending number when prompted. Select the destination cell where you want the array to start. The VBA code will populate the selected range with a sequential array of numbers from the starting to the ending number. This method allows you to dynamically generate an array of numbers using VBA, providing flexibility in inputting the range and destination cell. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful in your quest to create an array of numbers in Excel, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful Excel tips and techniques. Enhance your spreadsheet skills and stay tuned for additional tutorials. Your support keeps us motivated. Create, explore, and excel in your data management endeavors.